Today, we have something special to talk about, the mighty anvil. Believe me when I say that this little block is like the boss of all tools in Minecraft. It's easy to make and super helpful. So, let's dive right into it.
First things first, let's understand what an anvil actually is. In the real world, an anvil is a tool used to shape metal and craft equipment. But in Minecraft, it serves a similar purpose with some added magical functionalities. The dark gray, little blocky anvil is a game changer, trust me.
In Minecraft, anvils have some fantastic uses. They can repair items, rename them, and modify enchantments. With these incredible functions, they become an essential utility block in your arsenal. Although they sometimes spawn naturally in woodland mansions, you can also craft them easily. Let me show you how.
Step 1. Gather material to create an anvil. You'll need a few items. Here's what you'll need: 31 iron ingots, 3 iron blocks, and a trusty crafting table. Crafting an anvil requires a lot of iron. We're talking about 31 iron ingots here. Out of these, 27 will be used to make iron blocks, and you'll need 3 iron blocks for the anvil. And, of course, you won't be able to craft it without a crafting table itself.
Step 2. Start mining. Since the recipe requires a significant amount of iron, it's best to start mining deep into the mountains. Grab your trusty stone pickaxe and venture forth into the depths of Minecraft to gather an adequate amount of iron. Once you've collected enough, you'll need a furnace to smelt the raw iron ore into ingots. Alright, once you have all the necessary materials, it's time to start working on the anvil. Fill all 9 holes of the crafting table with iron ingots to create iron blocks. Excellent job! Now you can begin crafting the anvil itself.
Step 3. Craft anvil. Place 3 blocks of iron in the top row of the crafting table. Then, place an iron ingot in the middle hole of the second row. Finally, fill the bottom row with iron ingots to complete the recipe. And voila! There you have it, your very own anvil, ready to be used in whatever way you see fit. But wait, before you wonder what to do with it, let's explore the various applications and uses of anvils.
Anvils are incredibly versatile. First and foremost, they allow you to repair damaged weapons and tools. Simply add an ingot of any material to the anvil along with the damaged item, and it will be repaired as good as new.
But that's not all. Anvils also come in handy when you want to rename items. It's as simple as placing the item on the anvil and giving it a new name. Want to personalize your favorite weapon or tool? The anvil has got your back.
And here's where the anvil truly shines. You can combine enchanted books with tools to enchant them even further. The best part is that the enchantments remain intact, making the anvil a better choice than the grindstone for repairing and enchanting simultaneously.
Lastly, for all you Bedrock Edition players out there, anvils can also be used to edit and expand on maps. So, let your creativity run wild and take advantage of this fantastic feature.
Before we say goodbye, I have an exciting announcement for all the young gamers out there. Are you ready to take your Minecraft skills to the next level? Moonpreneur is offering a fantastic opportunity to learn how to code while having a blast in the virtual world. Check out their Minecraft coding course, where kids can learn the skills of coding in the fastest and most fun way possible. And guess what? They're even offering a free class just for you. So, if you're interested in leveling up your game development skills, be sure to book a free class today. Details are in the description below.
Well, that's all for today, my fellow Minecrafters. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Minecraft adventures. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Stay awesome, and see you soon.